This is Andrew Horowitz, president and founder of TriggerCharts.com. I want to talk a little bit about risk today because one of the things that traders overlook oftentimes is the whole idea of what's the risk in my portfolio? What's the individual risk and what's the total risk of my portfolio? And what we could do is look at a measure called beta to try to figure this out. So essentially, beta is a mathematical calculation of what's the risk factor related to the market. So if we look at the market overall, take the S&P 500, and we can look at that fact that the beta on the S&P 500 is 1. On average, we use that as a benchmark. And now we take a stock like Microsoft, for example. And Microsoft, let's say, has a beta of 1.5. What that means is that the markets move in any direction, and let's say it's 1% in a direction, should have a move on Microsoft 1.5 times that. So if the market moves up 1%, in theory, over time, and when it's average, you look at beta of Microsoft being 1.5% to the upside or to the downside. And what you want to do is now start taking a look at some tools to calculate what is the beta on your stock, your ETF, or any of the positions you have in your portfolio. And when you do so, what you can do then is calculate what not only the individual overall risk is, but what the portfolio risk is. And by using a tool like this, you can then understand better your risk management overall, and then help you determine what exactly is going to be the level of risk you're willing to take in a portfolio. So for example, if you see that the portfolio is starting to move and gyrate dramatically and markets are starting to move as well, maybe you start to consider looking at stocks, ETFs, or positions that are lower in beta because you don't want to have that volatility. It's all about risk. It's all about factoring in what is the overall risk factors in your portfolio to make sure that you can tolerate various times and various market conditions. So check out beta as a way to look at what is the risk in your portfolio, and you can look at that while you're digging down and digging deep into each of the positions that you hold. Thanks for joining me.